All sounds that you're about to hear on this video have been recorded with the Zoom H1e, including the following recording. This recording was captured at the Grand Marché in Congo-Kinshasa by my girlfriend with this exact recorder. In my opinion, listening to a soundscape is a great way to get a sense for a place that you visit. And for her, the Zoom H1e was the perfect tool for this trip because of its small size and convenience. Now, the regular handheld recorder that I normally use for field recording is the Zoom H5. And the biggest difference compared to the Zoom H1e is that this recorder right here doesn't have any gain knob. So you cannot set your volume while you're recording. You have to do this in post-production. Now, this is actually only possible because this recorder is recording audio in 32-bit floating point. So here you can see the record button, but there's actually no gain wheel. And this is especially great for beginners who have no experience yet with setting the gain manually, because if you're doing field recording, you never know how loud the next sound is going to be. Now, one thing that is a bit tricky with this recorder for field recording is that if you stand somewhere for a long period of time and you hold the recorder in your hand, you have to hold really still, otherwise you will be able to hear the handling sound on your recording, like this sound right here. So if you want to do that, I can highly recommend that you get some kind of tripod where you can screw your recorder on, so you can just leave it somewhere and you don't have to hold it in your hand the whole time. Now, if you want to record sounds outside, a wind muff is also absolutely necessary, because if you would record without it, now this particular wind muff is in the H1e. This is the accessory kit for the Zoom H1e, and in there you will also get a small case where you can put your recorder in. Now, as far as sound quality goes, for the size and for the price of this recorder, it records pretty good stereo quality. And if you want to record something that is loud enough, you're gonna have a lot of fun with this recorder. But if you want to record something that is very quiet and you want to later on boost it in post-production, you're gonna have a lot of self noise on that recording. So for me, that's a little bit of a downside for this recorder. It would be actually really nice to have a field recorder which is as small as that one, but with less self noise. But as far as I know, there aren't any. So if you're just starting out with field recording, this might be a good solution for you. Also, if you're looking for something to travel with, which is very small and light, this is definitely a recorder which I can recommend. Now, if you want to learn more about other field recording kits, I also have this video right here for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one in the future. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for listening.